out of the easy, medium or hard level, at which level you are going to classify this question. So let's go with the solution, then you decide. So using simple addition, we get 2 times of 2 raised to the power x, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 times 2 raised to the power x is equal to 50. Now 50 can also be written as 2 times 25. So these two and these two cancel out. So we are left with 2 raised to the power x equals 25. Taking log both sides. So why we are taking log on both sides? Because we want to bring this x to the base, so that we can get the value of x on the right side. So log 2 raised to the power x is equal to log 25. Now we are using log of a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. This is the formula of logarithm. So using this, we were left with x log 2 is equal to log 25. Now we have reached the, we have bring the x to the base, but we are also left with log 2. So we want to remove those. So dividing both sides by log 2, we get this log into log over 2, log 2 over log 2 cancel out. So x is equal to log 25 upon log 2. Now we have formula that log a over log b can be written as log a to base b. So using this, x is equal to log 25 to base 2. So this is the value of x, but we are going to check it. So the value of x was log 25 base 2. So let's check. Putting the value of x, so 2 raised to the power log 25 to base 2 plus 2 raised to the power log 25 to base 2, and we want to check whether it is equal to 50 or not. So here we are going to use this logarithm expression, that is log of a raised to the power log b to base a equals b. So here we are left a is 2 and b is 25, so it will be 25. So 25 plus same here 25 equals is it equal to 50, and 50 is equal to 50. So therefore our solution value of x, which is x is equal to log 25 to base 2, is correct solution.